you are?
Jeff Carpenter.
Jeff Carpenter. Okay. Naomi,
Naomi's
okay, huh?
mother.
I figured
Driver.
some people. We'll show you, where you get snacks or drinks if you want. We don't want anybody to take off at lunch.
Oh, really?
Is this Mrs. Don?
Yeah.
It seems right about it being warm in here.
I said, now who's gonna keep it country?
And spent the money and kept T in, you know what I'm saying?
Playing music like I always was up there, I'd hear all the feedback.
Check 1, 2,
Oh,
1,
God.
2.
And
1, 2.
and all of a sudden,
3,
it
4,
just,
5, 6.
and I really didn't know what happened. All of a sudden, did Ralph decide to quit? Or?
No?
Real country songs, we just got done performing. Where did that song come from? He said, well, I wrote it. Yeah, I say it is.
Can you hear yourself enough?
And don't get me wrong, I like
Check 1, 2. Yes, I can hear.
that is our audience.
Jeff Carpenter saying also I do some live performances and stuff, and there's a link on there.
Who's gonna fill their shoes when that Jones boy is gone?
When that Jones boy is gone, who's gonna fill their shoes? One with the crooked hair, singing about white light. She thinks I still care. Don't stop the music, let's play one more song. Laughing at you, breaking heart. When that Jones boy